Hello, and welcome to W-ITC's Codebeamer for Beginners. Today we're focusing on how to effectively manage requirements in Codebeamer, ensuring your project needs are clearly defined and traceable throughout the development lifecycle. Managing requirements is a critical step in any project. It ensures that what is being developed aligns with the needs and expectations of stakeholders. Let's start by navigating to the requirements. We're in one of the requirements trackers. You can see all the items in here. Let's go through how to add a new requirement. For the sake of this video, we'll do it from the table view. So let's first navigate to the table view and click on the Add Requirement button. You'll be asked to fill in the requirement details such as title, description, and status. Next, let's link this requirement to existing project elements. These could be related requirements, tasks, or test cases. Linking creates traceability, which is crucial for understanding the impact of changes and for maintaining compliance with the industry standards. Now let's explore the Traceability report view to see the connections between different project elements. The Traceability report allows you to visualize the relationship between requirements, tasks, and test cases, ensuring that all aspects of your projects are aligned and accounted for. Effective requirements management is the backbone of successful project delivery, ensuring clarity and compliance throughout the project lifecycle. If you have any questions, let us know and we'll see if we can cover them in the following videos. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.